front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing using Celia Keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and holding this microphone at the bottom right corner. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you will pause, it will stop, but you can also control it using space. Then click on this button at the bottom left corner to close voice typing completely, but leave your keyboard open. Or use this one at the bottom right one in order to close it completely. If you want to delete text on the go, you can click on this button with an X. And to add any punctuation marks, hold this one and pick the one you want to add. If you want to access some keyboard settings from here, you can do that by clicking on this icon at the top left corner. Then click on this one at the top right one to hide your keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!